MX330 fits perfect with where our business is right now. It gives us the diverse product mix that we can multi-pallet using multiple parts at any one time. Unmanned running, basically, that's what we're looking for, and to have that flexibility. We treat the machine like a vending machine, really, so we pick and choose which parts we want at different points in the day to fit our capacity and our customers' expectations.
But the idea of this machine is that we can rough very effectively, and then we can come in and very dynamically finish very effectively as well. We can also do some small turning operations on the blitzes as well.
So you're not actually, so you can do turning, you can do heavy roughing, especially with a bit of ceramic. You can be cutting out a lot of Inconel in quite a fast pace. You've also got the speed of the machine for the finishing operation. So actually, this can do your blisk productively each operation in one hit.
So new products, the one that we really want to shout about is the new SS65 lathe, which is our sub-spindle lathe. It's now available. You can come and see one now. You can come and order one. They are in stock, and it's now a time for us to really push that product for customers that are doing want to do single operation components. They want to get a part off complete. This is the machine to look for.
230 newton meters of torque on this spindle at 1100 RPM. Now that just really lends itself to tool manufacturing, mold tool manufacturers when they're trying to get under the skin of material. So, you know, they'll be running at slow speeds and, you know, trying to get higher feeds to really get the metal removed. But in order to do that, you need grunt, you need power. And to have 230 newton meters of torque at 1100 RPM is incredible when you consider that it's got 15,000 RPM at the other end for the finishing operation.
And the UAD head, this is an impressive part of this machine. We're talking about 364 million positions, so the positional accuracy is incredible. Are you using it to its full potential, and what's the sell here?
We will be doing more and more so, because we're doing a lot of drilling applications and also milling applications, which are actually tied up to each other. We need the accuracy on the head.
Superstar Components started out as a trading company buying parts from Asia, branding them and selling them direct on the internet. We were one of the first direct sales internet companies. Obviously now everybody's doing it. Internet is awash with eBay sellers, Amazon sellers and so on. But over the years I got frustrated with Asia, where the majority of parts are manufactured, and decided I can do it better myself, quicker, faster, better.
If you're exhibiting at MACH, how are you going to get the best out of your MACH show?
Well, MACH is happening from April the 4th to the 8th, and we know that it attracts thousands and thousands of visitors, and let's hope that that is exactly the same this time around. But one of the things that we're throwing into the mix this time around is our live streams. So companies such as Star, we're here at Technoturn today, they are having us on their stand on the Monday and the Wednesday of the MACH show, where we'll be streaming their technology that they have on show to our thousands that will be watching across our channel. So they're maximising their benefits.
So how can others get involved? Because our timetable is naturally filling up.
Literally, we only started putting the slots out last week. We already have NCMT, Matsura, Star, Ceratizit. There is plenty of people looking at taking up a slot. We'll be having 4 live streams a day, Monday right the way through till Friday night.